Since producing the first flooring materials in 1958, we have been a trend leader with quality of products. Luxury vinyl tile, heterogeneous sheet, homogeneous sheet, indoor sports flooring. Hausys operates a full range of lineup for PVC flooring. High-growing product, luxury vinyl tile, is provided with 5 lineups. Prestige is a premium product that has high durability and high-resolution designs, and the unique design is realized through continuous embossed in register technology. The ClickType Prestige uses 5G click technology to provide quick and easy installation. Transfer guard technology prevents to scrap marks and flooring curing perfectly. Decolite provides an excellent sound reduction feature through adding the acoustic foam layer, which is used in sports flooring. In addition, plank type and big-sized production are applied. Decotile Glue Down offers over 200 trendy colors. Also, it provides a wide range of high-quality products through a color matching process which can appeal to each local market. Heterogeneous Sheet is a multi-layered structure product which is made through calendaring and glass fiber inlaid. All products are treated with Easy Clean UV+, allowing for easy maintenance and prevention of early contamination. Acoustic Sheet features an excellent ability for sound reduction and a comfortable walking sense, making them perfect for hospitals, educational facilities, and hospitalities. A single-layer structured chip-through product, Homogeneous Sheet, is operated with 5 categories. All products provide high resistance for chemicals through anti-iodine feature and are perfect for hospitals or educational facilities. Specialty product, RexCourt, is the indoor sports flooring which provides shock absorption and elasticity for sports activities are required. Over the past 7 decades, we have created spaces with the utmost focus on the people. We still make an effort to inspire people to create better spaces with innovation. We will keep offering eco-friendly and high-quality products that can lead the future trend for the nature, for the human, for your living spaces.